Well, my first losing morning in a while on stream. Down $5,700 off one trade. We're going to go ahead and recap the trade. Overall, felt great about it. It just didn't work out. And that's just part of trading. You're going to have losing trades that you thought you were going to win, right? So overall, though, down 285 times 20 accounts. Still copy trading my 20 Apex accounts. If you're interested, you can get 80% off right now with code TBM off each account, recurring monthly, etc. So yeah, big discounts with code TBM on Apex accounts. I'm still trading mine, still very much in the green and loving it. Let's go and dive into the recap from today's stream. Happy Friday. Hope you're having a good day so far. Hopefully the rest of yesterday was good for you. No hat Friday. Yeah, I didn't wear a hat yesterday either. Maybe I'll throw one on. I don't know. Hopefully yesterday was good for you. Yesterday feels like a lifetime ago. Anyways, here's the daily chart. Nice little slap off the highs. People shorting all-time highs got rewarded for once, just to keep them coming back for more next time, you know? This is the daily chart. We are at the top of the range, trying to potentially push back in. We'll see. We got really close to the gap. I would not call it necessarily filled, but it looks like we got close. I don't know. I'll have to go dive deeper into that in a little bit. Okay, 5-minute structure. We are below yesterday's value area low at 620. It typically implies more heaviness. If we were inside it, we would say balance, and we would be looking for the red to green rotation. Yesterday's value area low to value area high from yesterday. We are below that, which typically means continuation. In fact, the overnight highs could not even get into yesterday's value area low, which is fairly interesting. Again, just kind of heavy. We got overnight lows at whatever this little swing is, 92. And we'll see kind of what happens today, if we have FTV Friday or not. But we will play it by ear. Make sure you press the thumbs up button down below if you have it yet. That's helpful. Man, I came back to my computer yesterday with my P&L going up and down with no entry showing, and it's still moving. It's still going after a full night. My guy. I don't know what you're using. Are you on a live account? Are you on like Apex or some other funded service? In which case, maybe look at your Rhythmic or your Tradeovate accounts. I have no idea, man. But if you survived it entering yesterday and through all overnight, and you're still in a position, that just sounds crazy to me. Dude, do we rock the mental vacation today since it's Friday? Oh yeah, news. Forgot to talk about news. Someone said speakers, maybe Justice, and you're right. I'm assuming Powell is done speaking, but let's see.
Have to do that to fill.
He's got a purple tie on though.
Sure
I mean,
that
are we really that worried about it? Other than that, we got 9 o'clock Johnson, Barr at 11. I think it's just the same committee speaking, I would assume, the whole time. But we will, play by ear, make sure that everything's looking good. Here's the dad joke of the day. You ready? Man, I'm kind of liking no hat, I'll be honest. All right, here's the dad joke of the day. March 22nd, Friday. Why do celebrities stay cool? Because they have many fans. That's a low-hanging fruit dad joke. I don't hate it. Better than a bunch of the other ones. Look at all these wicks at the magical 20s. Balancing off the magical 20s so far. We got settlement at 360-ish, which probably is a pretty good target to the upside if I had to guess. VWAP and settlement. The return to settlement plays are typically pretty decent. Wouldn't be shocked. Probably a better way to put that. So far though, fairly choppy open, all things considered. Also, thank you for those that watched and supported the new video that came out yesterday, going over withdrawal number 2. Hopefully it helped answer some questions and stuff. I also wrote a fat Twitter post yesterday, going over kind of my reflections of the first month. So if you read that and you enjoyed it, thanks for reading it. Ligma forming at the lows. We are sweeping the lows. We ran the highs. We're sweeping the lows. That is always a very confusing thing. Back to trading. It's very confusing when you run highs and then run lows immediately and then hop right back into the middle of the range. What's it mean, chat? It is a Ligma at the highs. I mean, excuse me, Ligma at the lows. It is a Ligma right now, but what are we missing out on? Missing out on a 10-point range. Cool. I am green lighted to trade, and there will be opportunities for sure. All right. Still doesn't look terrible. I don't know if we get to fulfill here. The buyers look all right. I want basically an immediate response here. If I don't see it, I'm going to kill it. This probably bounces right here. No, I get filled instead. Okay, testing that is fine at 38. But it needs a reaction here now. If I can't do it, I'm going to kill it. Because we are fairly balanced. Make sure I'm in across the board. I am. Quick sweep to the downside. Typically yields a pump off a candle open on the 5 minute like that. We'll see. Got to get through VWAP. Getting the wiggle. Wiggle off volume. Still holding 38. And I'm out. Flat across the board, down 285. I'm going to try for one more trade probably. I'm not going to just call it a day here. It's 15 points almost. Stopped out the true wick test. 29. Looks like we might slap it, but we're back in the middle of the range, man. I'm just not interested in diddling around here. So I'm going to be patient and wait it out. Could be red day. We'll see. If I find another trade that I want to take, I'm going to take it, but they don't work out because you had the hat on. You're probably right, man. Probably right. Let's be a little stitious. How do you handle losing is the question? Know that you're going to do it. Here's the thing about losing. Once you've lost and you've recovered, not necessarily same day. Chasing losses is not the right idea, right? But your brain knows that you can bounce back. And it's just the best thing that I've found is analyze what happened. Analyze if you did something stupid or if, your setup just didn't work, which is bound to happen. And then you analyze it very quickly and then it's gone, right? You got to forget about it, because then if you're still thinking about it same day while you're still trying to take trades, and you're putting some bad juju in your mind, you're going to be scared to take trades and do stupid stuff. If you're thinking about the next day, same thing's going to happen.